Okay, as you guys all know, it's Christmas time. Christmas is coming. Santa is coming. So today,
Santa is coming for who?
Santa is coming for us. Forget coronavirus. So Santa is really coming. Santa, don't lose faith.
Okay, Santa is coming.
Santa is immune.
Okay.
Yeah. Set up our Christmas tree today.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is our first time setting up a Christmas tree.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So this is going to be our first time setting up a Christmas tree. We hope it goes well.
Yes.
I don't really know how to do it though. Like, we just hope it goes well. I hope we don't do rubbish.
Yeah, guys, so we're setting up our Christmas tree today, and we're going to show you guys everything as we're doing it, and we hope you guys like our tree when we are done. Let's go and try our best. And if you are new here, you know what to do. Please subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like, and yeah, subscribe. Did I just say that before?
Thumbs up.
Let's go straight into the video. Let's go make our tree. So we got this Christmas tree from the store. And we got the ornaments from Amazon, right?
Yeah, we got the ornament from Amazon. We got
lights from Amazon. We got this one.
100 yen store.
Yeah.
Was it 100 yen store?
We got from 100 yen, and some of it from the store. We got this one.
So we got from store.
Yeah.
Bling bling, shine shine.
Like the stuff they use for cheerleading. He lives in me. Ew.
We remember the old days.
Oh my god.
The whole
the tree.
The tree came with the lights, with extra light. We didn't know. We went to get.
Yeah, we actually got more lights.
So we didn't know.
So it came with this. The tree came with this already.
Yeah, it also came with this.
Sure. Yeah, it came with some ornaments and other things to decorate. And yeah, we already got some, but this would have not been enough now.
No.
It's really small. You probably just kept it there as giveaway. I was like, let me just give you guys just
They're
in
not
case.
Nigerians. We're not doing giveaway.
So, what are we doing?
Take.
Well, guys, we're about to start. Next.
No, be looking. There's a number on it.
Oh, there's number.
Yeah.
What number did you just use?
Number 3. Yeah, push it.
Did you just use 2?
Yes. Number 5 should be there.
What's the best Christmas gift you've ever received? What was it like? Like, did they do Christmas in your house? Like, they'll give you presents and all that? Did you do that?
We don't. So probably the best Christmas gift I've ever received should be family love.
Family love and jollof rice.
And jollof rice.
Fried
nice
rice.
Fried rice, yeah.
But I don't know, growing up there, we used to have something called promise card. I don't know if you guys...
Yeah, we did
know
in
about
school.
it.
In secondary school, yeah. In sec school, we had promise card.
Yeah.
So you get...
So you get stuff from your relatives and all. You just...
It's actually just useless.
Why is it used? Like, I used to get people promise me things, so like...
Really?
Yes, a lot. Like
you get things?
Yes, I get. Do you know I get a lot of money from it that like after Christmas I still keep spending the money.
Whoa.
So if I'm getting the card, I do go for the one that has like money section in it, not just stuff. You know, it has like pen.
That's the cheap stuff.
The cheap stuff and the one with expensive things. I used to go for the one with expensive things, so that people can promise me. Like I used to disturb people. I'll go. I have my promise card. Please promise. I opened it already.
Yeah.
So what have you? Did you ever buy it? Did you ever use
promise
it?
card?
Yeah.
Come on, I don't think there's any Nigerian that didn't use promise card.
Maybe those that are way older.
Yeah, probably the ones way old. Even the ones way older, I think they should.
The promise card thing came up like since.
Trust me, promise card has been a thing since.
Were you opening it from the top first? I started from the top or the bottom?
Just start from the one that's closest to me.
Because I don't know which to start from. So guys, that's what we used to do there. I and my sister would, and then Christmas party used to be fun.
Christmas party. Basically, what do you usually do on Christmas? That should be the question here for you.
Yeah, from school or from home. Which one are you talking about?
From home.
Hmm?
Home.
From home.
Yeah.
From home we have like, what do we do? On Christmas, on the 24th, we cook. We start cooking like meat and everything, baby.
There's this joy in your heart when you're saying now that you're saying like
That food, you don't know, like that food is something else.
you like food?
That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. Out of the two of us who like food, it's even evident in your body.
It's not by that one. No.
It's by that one.
Guys, in Japan, there's something we call happy fat.
What's happy fat?
I'm experiencing happy fat.
So what's happy fat? Because you're happy, you're fat.
No. It's because you have peace of mind.
Yeah.
That's why.
So me, I don't have peace of mind.
It's you that know the spirit that you're fighting with. You're the one that know the spirit you're fighting with.
Yeah, you're serious. So
this is
so
called
me that I'm slim now, I'm what? This is because you have peace of mind.
I have peace.
But honestly, when I first met you, you were so slim.
Because there was no peace of mind. I was having much peace of mind. Yes, now because I was
so slim.
I was
like,
in school now.
Your waist,
I was in school, so
jeez. Even your belt, I'm like, oh my god. Even your before and after picture, I think we need to do a video like Twinkle and her husband did. You watched that video?
Yeah, I saw it, right?
So we showed them.
Oh no.
But I'm thinking it would be cool after our wedding, but I don't know.
Actually, the thing is, then there is no peace of mind.
There's no peace of mind. What were you thinking about?
School stuff.
School. Gee.
Things you're thinking of. Things you are aiming to achieve. Your parents are looking up to you.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So,
CGPA.
CGPA is smiling at you. Come on, I don't think you see you think of getting fat as a then said.
Then the stress, right?
You want fat here, you'll be quarreling. It goes like this.
Okay.
And make it go round again. Round. No, not up, round.
Not up,
down,
round, right.
down, round. Something like this. Yeah. You are doing it round, down.
Take. Just scissors there.
Cut it.
No, that is the label.
The label has been
Well,
the pattern. Wait.
Jeez.
Wait, dress this Sabrina. Is it one?
Huh?
Is it one?
There are more now.
You are horrible at designing, trust me.
We, right?
Anjunabi. This is Anjunabi.
Song came with balls. See what we got, D. Oh, I don't know where. This is fun, though.
Oh yeah, it's one. Tweet me chat diagonal.
Diagonal. Still go like this. Oh, we're not done. Oh, it's actually looking cool now. Whoa, so guys, we are done.
Like finally we're done.
We are done. What do you think about our job? I kind of feel like it's nice now. Like initially I had like double thought about it. Like, is this really good? Is this cool? But now it's looking so nice. I'm so excited about this. So cozy. So nice. So guys, we hope you guys
enjoy it.
Stop. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like, and Merry Christmas in advance. See you guys in the next one. Alright, bye guys.